Hello there and welcome. Here's another video that I hope it will help you build on your Shona vocabulary. And I'll be dealing with nouns for emotions and feelings. Manzwira nzwira in Shona. We're gonna start with the most wonderful feeling, which is love. The Shona word for love is Rudo. Rudo. Some say hate is the opposite of love, and the Shona noun for hate is Ruvengo. Ruvengo. Joy is Mufaro. Mufaro. Anger is Hasha. Hasha. Lust is Ruchiva. Ruchiva. Fear is Kuchka. Kuchka. Pride is Kudada. Kudada. Sad or sadness is Kusuwa. Kusuwa. Happy or happiness as well is Kufara. Kufara. Last but not least, I have shy or shyness. The noun is Kunyara. Kunyara. We have covered 10 nouns. I'll just go through them again in summary. We said love is Rudo, hate, Ruvengo, joy, Mufaro, anger, Hasha, lust, Ruchiva, fear, Kuchka, pride, Kudada, sad, Kusuwa, happy, Kufara, and shyness or shy, Kunyara. Thank you. Until the next installment, keep well and keep speaking Shona, keep learning Shona. Thank you.